Good day everyone. We are the Group 11 and today we are going to discuss what is Mitimus and Commitment Order. So, ano nga ba ang Mitimus and Commitment Order? So, matapos po maisampa ang isang kaso sa isang korte, kinakailangang suriin ng isang judge kung meron ba itong tinatawag na probable cause. So, ano nga ba ang probable cause? It is the existence of such facts and circumstances as would excite the belief that the person charged was guilty of the crime for which he was prosecuted. So, it means ito ay gawain, kilos, or situation na sa isang reasonableng pag-iisip ng isang karaniwan na tao or isang individual ay maiisip na mayroong ginawang krimen. So, tatlo po ang possible na kalalabasan ng pagsusuri ng isang judge. First, maaaring i-dismiss kung walang nakikita na probable cause. So, second is, kung may sapat na basehan, maglalabas ang judge ng warrant of arrest at kasabay nito ang Mitimus or Commitment Order. Kung naaresto na ang isang accused. So, at last, kung hindi kumbinsido si judge, maaari niyang utusan ang prosecutor upang humingi ng karagdagan na evidence. So, Mitimus. It is a warrant issued by the court bearing its seal and signature by the judge directed to the prison or jail authorities to receive an inmate for the purpose of service of sentence. So, it means na ito ay isang order of the court na binibigay ng jail or prison to receive a sentence. So, kapag ito ang natanggap ng jail, it means ito ay magse-serve na ng kanyang sentensya. Therefore, there is a final judgment. Binibigay ito ng court at nakapirma ang judge na sinasabi sa jail or prison na tanggapin ang isang tao dahil kailangan na nitong pagbayaran ang kanyang sentensya. So, pag napatunayan na guilty beyond reasonable doubt, siya ay dadalhin sa fourth pillar o correction. It's either BJMP or BUCOR or Bureau of Correction. So, pag 3 years pababa ang sentensya, siya ay dadalhin sa BJMP. And for 3 years and 1 year to death, siya naman ay dadalhin sa BUCOR.
Ano nga ba ang commitment order? Ang commitment order is a written order of the court or any agency authorized by law to issue entrusting an inmate to a jail for the purpose of safekeeping during the pendency of his or her case. Kung saan ang korte ay nag-uutos sa mga law enforcers na dalhin ang preso sa kanilang kulungan upang manatili or maglagi sa kanilang institusyon habang ongoing pa ang investigasyon. Sa ilalim ng ating Rules of Criminal Procedure, matapos may sampa ang isang kaso sa korte ay kailangan suriin ng hukom kung may tinatawag bang probable cause ang kaso. Kung ang hukom ay wala pa rin nakikitang posibleng dahilan sa kabila ng karagdagang ebidensya ay dapat niyang i-dismiss sa loob ng 10 araw mula sa pagsusumite nito o pag-expire ng nasabing panahon.
Mitimus and Commitment Order. Commitment orders and Mitimus orders are both legal documents issued by a judge to mandate sending an individual from the court to a detention or correctional institution. The difference between Mitimus and Commitment order is a Mitimus is a court order or warrant that directs a jailer to keep a person in custody until they are released by another order. And commitment order is an order issued by a judge to commit someone to prison.
To summarize, commitment order and Mitimus order is an order of the court sa jail or sa isang prison to receive an inmate na ibinibigay sa jail or sa isang institution. So, it is a written order sa isang jail facility na ipinagkakaloob sa kanila ang isang bilanggo. So, again, what is the difference between commitment order and Mitimus? So again, ang commitment order is just for safekeeping. Possible na ongoing pa yung trial, while the Mitimus order is for serving of a sentence. It means meron ng final judgment. So that's all. Thank you.